I'm your host, Patrick Smith, CEO and a co-founder of Curaxis. My goal today is to provide you with the appropriate information to understand the very exciting opportunity Curaxis may offer and reinforce our leadership position in developing a disease-modifying treatment for a world suffering with Alzheimer's disease and numerous cancers related to the aging process. The Curaxis investment thesis is clear. 20 years and billions of dollars have not produced an effective disease modifier in AD. Focusing research and clinical outcomes on targeting beta amyloid proteins as the causative factor in the disease has failed. Due to these failures, an entire industry reevaluation is seeking to find a more comprehensive answer. Today it is generally accepted that beta amyloid is the wrong target and appears to be an immunological response to a primary causative factor. Curaxis scientists and collaborators believe that the primary factor is a dysregulation or malfunction of a fundamental hormone system precipitated by aging. The answer, however, is not far from reach. Curaxis has been working for over 10 years on a comprehensive treatment addressing the multifactorial pathologies associated with AD. You can get an in-depth understanding of our success by reviewing the Curaxis Pharma website. Take time to view the scientific tutorial. It will provide a simple, factual, and understandable body of knowledge accumulating for many years. The Curaxis investment highlight are very pointed. The current market is very, very large. By 2050, cumulative costs of care top $20 trillion. Clearly, a first-in-class disease-modifying drug in the next few years will have an unprecedented investment upside. Current predominant theories have failed, creating a vast unmet medical need. And data overwhelmingly favoring Curaxis' approach provides treatments and solutions in conjunction with currently marketed drugs. And our compound and delivery substrate have a proven 20-year-plus safety record, providing confidence with no surprises in clinical use about long-term toxicities, or in other words, very FDA-friendly. The Curaxis solution and why it works. Starting from conception, a potent combination of hormones drive growth and development through a process of cell division. However, the predominant hormone in this equation is LH, or luteinizing hormone. It is the driving force of growth and development, puberty, reproduction, and aging. If you follow the release of LH throughout our lives, you can plainly see the relative quantities at any given point. The thesis is simple. LH is good for us early in our life and through our reproductive years, but it becomes detrimental after we are no longer reproductively viable. It is the ever-increasing levels of LH after menopause and andropause which cause neurons to attempt cell division unsuccessfully. This causes the neuron to die and provides the cascading pathological events we identify as Alzheimer's disease. Memrite lowers LH and stops this detrimental cascade. That's really all there is to it. Let's keep in mind the primary thought that I began today's discussion about. The cumulative failures in AD drug candidates based on historic theories has positioned Curaxis as a leading candidate with very few contenders to a first-in-class disease-modifying treatment in Alzheimer's. In addition, 35 million people worldwide are desperate for relief. Now that deserves your attention. For further information, go to the link on the screen. and we will automatically update you on Curaxis progress. On behalf of Curaxis Pharmaceutical, I am Patrick Smith, and I thank you for your attention.